Right, it's morning, it's 9 o'clock. We've had a talk about today's jobs and guess what? The bananas are coming down now and we'll be making the first tea at that pile just in front of the spirit house. So we're time-lapsing it and there's the troops hard at work. So we will time-lapse this and show you the progress. Okay, right, I'll tell you what we're doing first of all. We're watering down this mound here just to see if it will compress down any further. We don't want any holes in the green. We will be chopping down the leaves, chopping down the trees, removing the dead leaves, and there's wood. There's lots of wood in here as well. So we'll need to separate the... I don't know, maybe we'll just throw it all on. This is experimental. Alright, so this is the last time you'll see the banana trees here. Alright. A bit of destruction is good for the heart and mind, body and soul. It's fucking carnage. Yeah. There we go. Down she comes. Right, you can't really see it in the video too well, but that was an old termite mound and it was directly underneath where the perfect tee-off position would be. So we wet it down like 6, 7 times, 8 times already, and we're just chopping away at it, breaking down all the little air channels, air pockets, and going to lay it flat. There's some big rocks in there, as normal. So once we get it flat, we're going to move a lot of these leaves over there, and the rest of that will go on top of here, and that will be the start of the tea, the first tea. Yeah, getting there. Right, quick update before lunch. Very productive morning. A really good start on the first tea. We've been layering it like a lasagna. It's been weeds, leaves, banana trees, stones, rocks, more bananas, more leaves, more. Yeah, so we're going to wet it down before lunch and wet this down all afternoon and night, and then that will go on top of that last thing. Banana leaves will get chopped up and spread around the perimeter wall to help with composting. Right, now we're watering down the stumps of the banana circle to make it easier to dig. We've been playing around with the water because it's so bloody hot and it's just nice to have a bit of cool water. I've wet down this already, just got to keep wetting it, and I think I'll get some plastic to put over it to speed up the composting process. Alright, so that's a good morning's work right there.